Alright, so good morning everyone. This is John again. Welcome back to your channel. And panibagong araw. So binabati ko kayo ng magandang araw, mapagpala at magandang araw. So lagi tayong safe. At pinapasalamat natin sa Panginoon na araw-araw ay lagi tayong iniingatan. And yeah guys, so I just want to share with you the things that I have been doing these days. So what I'm doing right now is, magsiset up ako ng microphone kasi alam nyo, this can be also a problem for newbies. Yung microphone, it's pretty hard lalo na pag nag-drive ka na and you're speeding up to 80 kilometers per hour. So I'll be sharing it with you guys and hopefully makatulong ito, hindi lang sa akin kundi sa ibang mga tao rin na kailangan ng tips or tulong kung paano ito gagawin. So panoorin nyo itong mga video na to, and I'll be sharing you the comparison dun sa wala pa tayong microphone at dun sa meron na tayong ilagay na microphone. So first things are the things that we need. So ito, I have this thing, of course, and most especially the camera. So we have the SJ6 Legend. So this is my camera. I bought this last March. That was 11 nung pumunta kami ng Mindanao. So walang kaplano-plano on everything. So kasi alam nyo na busy sa trabaho, na actually kaalabas lang natin ng trabaho, so diretso tayo dito ngayon. So and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I'll be sharing you the things that we have here. So yan, meron tayong extension cord, and this comes with a charger thing and the port for your microphone, of course, and this USB thing. So yeah, that's just what we have. Look at that. So that's the only port that we have for this is J6 Legend. So ayan, and I have my DIY, I guess, but this is a modified one kasi this is from a Samsung microphone. See that? That's a Samsung, whatever. So yeah, that's it. So dalawa lang yung wire nito sa loob, so it's kind of pretty easy. This one I bought this last week sa one of the mall here. So I didn't expect na it was too bad, but this is also a good one, the wiring. So ang ginawa ko, biniyak ko na lang ito at saka kinonek ko siya sa loob. So unfortunately wala akong video para dyan, but it's just pretty easy thing. Kung meron kayong soldering iron, soldering lead, meron kayong paste, very much that's an easy thing. So i-connect mo lang siya sa loob, tanggalin mo lahat yung port ng microphone sa loob, doon mo siya i-connect, and that's it. It works. So ayan, this one. So what we have in here, so you're gonna put that in there, and fit that in. Sa akin ito, dahil for additional protection na lang din, so I just decided na bubutasan ko siya sa gilid, if you can see that. And that's it. Let me show you. Yeah, so that's it. I have put a hole in there. So ayan, soldering iron din ang ginawa ko, tapos nilinisan ko na, but it's not really fine actually, but that works. So I just decided to go with it. Alright, so next thing is how did I put it on, most important thing is to let you know guys how this works and how did I install in there. So napakahirap. So yan, makikita nyo mamaya yung sitwasyon at saka yung video output, lalo ng audio nung wala pa ito. So wala talagang ano. So you'll see that later. So before I will show you kung paano ko siya nilagay dito. Simple lang naman eh. So dahil removable naman tong mga internal things ng helmet natin. So yan. So that was just pretty easy. So I'll show it to you later. Okay, but first thing, panoorin nyo muna yung video nung wala tayong microphone and meron tayong microphone nung may microphone na. So if you have some other tips as what I've mentioned in the video, so comment down below. Alright, and that would be greatly appreciated guys. So watch it till the end, okay? Alright, this is just pretty quick. Let's go. Alright, so guys, so as you can see, that was not really good video. The view was good, that was Clark in Angeles, so yeah. The sound is so terrible, so you can't really hear a thing. Wala kang maririnig, so except for wind, hampas ng hangin, so hindi mo talaga may enjoy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I installed it. It's just pretty simple. So alam na yan guys, so you know how to do that already, but I'm just gonna share you a little bit idea on how I did it. So yeah, watch it out. Okay, so mamaya ko na yan ilalagay. So important thing is matanggal natin yung mga noise. That's the most important thing ngayon. Like, yes, I can see. Maganda yung mga view natin, pero yung yung audio puro hangin, so pangit naman nun. So pinasok ko lang siya dyan, so mga laman loob niya. So ito, tatanggal kasi ito. Ayan. So easy access lang yan. Inikot ko siya dito pataas. Ayan na. Oops, let me do it. Ayan. So dito na part na to, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to put a tape on this. Actually wala pang tape yan, inipit ko lang siya sa between sa surface na to at saka dito sa kalbo ko. So ayan, and that was the thing. Ayan. So may hole pala dito, so make sure hindi tayo tatama dyan kasi pumapasok din yung hangin dyan. So dito sa may bandang noo, dito natin siya ilalagay. Not sure if you can see that inside here, mga 1 inch naiipit na siya ng ulo mo at saka hindi siya mahuhulog. So that's it. Yan, lagay mo siya dyan. So iikot lang natin siya. para neat din siya tingnan. Ayan. Alright, it's gonna be here. So may ginalan to, maglagay ka na lang ng adhesives like tape, no? Electrical tape or paper tape. Lagay mo siya dyan para hindi siya movable. Kung wash mo naman yung helmet mo, so syempre i-remove mo siya. So ayan. And this one, so okay, luma na tong helmet ko guys, kaya you know, medyo nababakbak na siya, but still does its job. So that's really fine. Wala pa tayong budget para sa bagong helmet. Shout out na lang kay Papi Orlan Gonzales, no? Ba dyan? Salamat sa tiwala, no? At sa inyong suporta. So dito nakita nyo yun, nahaba. So ang gagawin na lang natin, so iusog natin siyang konti. Ayan, yung excess na wire, pasok natin siya sa loob. Ayan, after natin siya maipasok doon, ayan, so let's put that in place. Ayan, so konti na lang yung nalabas dyan. Kung gusto mo pa ng mas maiksi para mas neat siyang tingnan, ayan, you can adjust it from here inside. Ayan, so lighting is not really good, you know. Ayan, and then next thing is, ayan, itong ating camera, set that up in there. Makakasira ng mukha, diba? Ayan. So put that in there para hindi siya sasabit. And yung butas kanina, yun yung purpose kasi. So wala pa tayo nung waterproof casing na may ganyan. Okay, so ayan, working na siya, na power on na yung device natin. Alright, so that's how I did it. So I guess it's pretty simple guys, but the solving that noise or denoising it, it's sometimes quite challenging. So I hope that you can get an idea with this. So panoorin natin guys yung last portion after natin ma-install yung microphone. So I hope that you would like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how clear it is, and much better of course from beforehand. So let's watch the video. Alright, let's go. Alright, okay, so magandang araw sa bawat isa. Magandang araw, mapagpalang araw sa bawat isa. So this is me again, John, and welcome back to our channel, to your channel. Shout out pala sa mga subscriber natin, 32,000. So thank you sa support. Alright, let me just show you the beauty of Mount Arayat in that's in Arayat, yeah. And we are in Clark. So today is the continuation of our test for our microphone.
hopefully it's not that too loud. Woo, the sun is shining right through me. Well, hope na maganda ang tulog ninyo. Dahil sa amin, there is no day or night. It's all together day. Walang gabi sa amin, purot araw. So naman nasa mabuting kalagayan po kayo mga kapatid. At yeah, always safe. O kakalabas lang natin ng trabaho. So yeah, pahinga na naman. For the next day is another battle. Okay, so I hope you did enjoy the short film done sa Mount Arayat, and that's a beautiful one. We're going home anyway. Sana maririnig niyo ako. At that's an 80 kilometers. O sakto lang yung takbo natin. That's it. Last week, nawala siyang microphone. You can't really hear anything when it's going fast. So if you have any other tip, let me know and comment down below. It's really nice to go home during the morning. That's Clark inside.
So that I hope it helps. So sa mga nangangailangan. So hindi na natin patatagalin to. So if you like this video, so give a big thumbs up and like and share, of course. So thank you so much for watching. Alright, sa mga bago pa, huwag ka nang mahiya, mag-subscribe ka na. Update ka sa mga parating na mga videos. So thank you so much and thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.